Most dark circle videos repeat the same tips. Sleep more, drink more water, avoid screen time, apply sunscreen and other under eye creams etc. Which can be beneficial to some extent, but if you only dial in the diet, you don't need to worry about the other parts at all. For example, hydration depends on how and what you drink. Similarly, you cannot force yourself to go sleep, but you need to add some sleep-inducing foods in your diet for that. The diet will carry alone and you can yourself see the result within a month. In most of the cases of dark circles do not start on the skin. They start in the bloodstream. Your under eye skin is the thinnest skin on your whole body, only 0.5 millimeters. That means your blood chemistry is visible through your face. If your blood is inflamed, nutrient deficient, pigmented or circulating poorly, your under eye expose it. So, you cannot fix the face without fixing the blood. You cannot fix the blood without fixing the diet. In this video, I will hit every single area and how to fix them with foods which both directly and indirectly will help you to fix your dark circle forever. From collagen matrix to antioxidant shield to blood circulation to sleep hormones. You will get everything in this video. Note that with all the whole foods, I will also be providing the names of supplements you can take for faster result. But that is completely optional for you. People get dark circles for 4 specific problems: not having that brighten and oxygenated blood, not having enough under eye collagen, having pigmentation and puffiness in under eye area, getting less sleep, improper hydration and sun damage. Now from this part of the video, we will discuss how to fix each of these 4 problems with necessary foods and nutritions. Make sure to apply all of them together to get the best result as soon as possible. Starting from the first part, foods that brighten and oxygenate the blood. Rule: vitamin C plus copper, which leads to brighter oxygenated blood. The best combo you should try are kiwi plus cacao nibs, orange plus pumpkin seeds, amla plus almonds, strawberries plus dark chocolate, beetroot plus lemon plus tomato plus mint. Tomatoes lycopene helps protect blood vessels and aids in blood circulation. There are some herbs also, like parsley, which is extremely high in vitamin C and iron. Spirulina. It's a rare food that increases iron and B vitamin simultaneously. If you pair iron-rich foods and vitamin C food in the same meal, dark circles fade up to 3 times faster than when eaten separately. An example of a proper meal in basis of this concept will be grilled chicken plus beetroot salad plus orange slices plus pumpkin seeds. Part 2. Foods that tighten under eye collagen. Sometimes when collagen collapses, hollow and shadowy eye appears. These foods stimulate collagen, the same biological pathway as topical retinol does. Egg yolks, which has retinol and amino acids. Bone broth, which has glycine and proline. Salmon, which is rich in omega-3 and astaxanthin. Berries, rich in vitamin C for collagen synthesis. Garlic, which has sulfur, prevents collagen breakdown. Oyster, from where you get copper and zinc, which leads to collagen cross-linking. Collagen supplements don't work well if your blood lacks vitamin C and copper. That's why in some people collagen does nothing. Fix nutrients first, then supplement if you want. The most common collagen supplements are type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4 and type 5. From here, you should focus on the collagen supplement which has type 1 and type 3 in it for skin. Marine collagen are more preferable than bovine collagen in this matter. But you also need to give attention to the collagen timing. Collagen foods absorb best within 2 hours after vitamin C intake and on empty stomach after sleep. Because collagen repair peaks at night, so keep that in mind. Part 3. Foods that reduce pigmentation and puffiness. Pigmentation clearing foods are pomegranate, which has collagen, which helps reducing melanin activity in the body. Goji berries contains carotenoids, which is specially very good for eye tissue. Papaya and pineapple's enzymes exfoliate from inside, Red grapes has resveratrol, which reduces melanin transfer. Moving forward to puffiness. Puffiness is not fat under the eyes. It is water trapped by sodium imbalance, and potassium is the key to releasing it. Anti-puff foods are turmeric and black pepper, green tea, banana, kiwi, cantaloupe, celery, cucumber. Topically, vitamin K creams reduce pigment, but dietary K from spinach is also linked to less discoloration. Some herbs like licorice and green tea polyphenols have skin lightening effects, but primarily trust whole foods rich in these vitamins. Part 4. Foods that repair the lifestyle which causes dark circles. In this section, we will cover all the foods and supplements which will improve your sleep quality, hydration, and protect from sun damage. First, let's talk about improving sleep quality with foods. Low sleep causes more cortisol, which leads to thinner skin. In result, we get darker eyes. So the sleep support foods are walnuts, tart cherry juice, pumpkin seeds, saffron tea. Before going to bed at night, you can try tart cherry warm drink and 1 teaspoon of pumpkin seeds. But eat this at least 1-2 hours before going to bed. If you want to take supplements to improve sleep quality, consider this. Melatonin, strongest evidence for increasing total sleep time. Typical effective range in trials 0.5 to 5 mg, though don't take it as a long-term supplement. Magnesium, for example magnesium glycinate or citrate, helps GABA regulation and muscle relaxation. Take 200 to 400 mg per day. May help people with low magnesium or restless legs. L-theanine from green tea, sedating effects that improve sleep quality in several trials. Common dose 100 to 200 mg at night. Glycine, small trials show improved subjective sleep and daytime performance. Common dose 3 g before bed. To increase hydration in skin, I made a separate video about that topic. You can watch that video after this. Some foods that increases hydration in our skin are fatty fish/seafoods, which supports lipid barrier and helps skin hold water. Foods high in ceramides precursors like soy, eggs, and healthy fats like nuts, seeds, avocados support strontium corneum lipids. Top supplements you can use for skin hydration are oral hyaluronic acid. 100 to 200 mg per day oral hyaluronic acid increases skin hydration within 2 to 8 weeks. Oral ceramides. It improves skin hydration, lowers TUWN, and improves elasticity after 8 to 12 weeks. Doses vary by product, commonly 30 to 100 mg per day. Omega-3. Oral supplementation improve barrier function, reduce TUWL, and improve skin hydration in clinical trials. Krill oil trials also report dose-dependent hydration benefits. Again, collagen peptides. Multiple trials show oral collagen increases skin moisture and reduce TUWL. Product doses often 2.5 g to 10 g per day depending on formulation. Now, some foods necessarily protect your skin from sun damage. Though sunscreen is important, adding these foods will benefit you greatly too. Top foods: wild salmon, krill, shrimps, red orange seafoods. These are the natural dietary source of astaxanthin and carotenoids in small amount. Regular oily fish intake also supplies omega-3s that reduces photoinflammation. Top supplements which protect the skin from sun are astaxanthin oral. Several studies shows 3 to 6 mg per day astaxanthin can increase minimal erythema dose, reduce UV-induced skin damage markers, improve skin moisture and elasticity, and lower oxidative stress markers. Beta-carotene and other carotenoids oral. Some protective effect against sunburn at higher doses over time, but effects may vary. And beta-carotenoid does not replace sunscreen. Topical plus oral combination. Trials combining oral astaxanthin with topical use or using astaxanthin-enriched sunscreens showed additive photoprotective effects in animal and small human studies. The mechanism behind is that astaxanthin is a potent marine carotenoid antioxidant that reduces UV-induced ROS, inflammation, and DNA damage signaling. It can raise MED, makes skin less likely to burn, and helps maintain moisture after UV exposure. Now we have covered all the parts. You exactly know what to eat and what supplements to take. If you follow most of the things here, the dark circles will be gone within a few weeks. Also, if you learned something valuable from this video, hit like and subscribe. This is Health Max. Thanks for watching.